If you want to make air fryer pancakes, this is the only way that works. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel I've got a ton of pancake recipes, so I know a thing or two about them. I've also, like you, looked up all the ways that they can be made in the air fryer. I've tested them, lots of flops. They're all a hoax. You cannot pour batter in the air fryer, layer it any way you want, just like these guys do in this video, and expect to get the fluffy pancakes you're used to. There's a lot of videos out there showing you what a true fail that is. Until this method. In this batter shaker bottle, I've added pancake mix and water. That's probably what you may be using. If you can also use your homemade pancake batter recipe, which I have one, I'll link that below for you, and you can mix it up in a bowl. I did it in here because it's a great way to keep it in the fridge. Do a batch on Saturday and another batch on Sunday, and the batter is ready to go. Before I share with you the secret to getting pancakes to work, we are gonna preheat the air fryer. Preheating the air fryer is essential for the pancakes to turn out. The secret is this pancake mold. This can be used inside an air fryer for eggs or pancakes. So what I'm going to do is spray it for easier release. Now, I'm not going to pour the batter here because then I have to lift it and put it in my air fryer. You want to place the mold in the air fryer first and then pour the batter in, which is why the shaker bottle works really well. But if you made batter in a bowl, use a measuring scoop to pour the batter into each mold. And now that my air fryer is done preheating, I'm going to open up my basket, place the mold directly in the basket, and then fill each circle halfway to the top. You don't want to go overboard because it will expand. All you have to do is close the basket and cook these pancakes at 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 minutes. One important tip is to not open the air fryer until the cooking time is done, because opening the basket lets the hot air out and your pancakes won't cook through. By the way, if you find tips like that one helpful, give this video a thumbs up so I know to always add them in my videos for you. Check these out, 6 minutes on the dot and they are ready. You know they're cooked through when the tops feel nice and soft, kind of spongy. And now we're going to remove the mold from the air fryer onto our counter, and look at them, perfection. We're gonna take them out of the mold onto a plate, stack them up, perfection. Let's add a little bit of butter on top and some syrup. Oh my gosh. Fluffy, perfectly cooked, and the tool that makes it all possible is this little mold. Make sure to grab it in the description box below and let me know how your air fryer pancakes turn out. See you next time.